How to use Proxy by Janitor AI. So in this video, we will discuss how you can actually obtain a proxy and use it on Janitor AI. First thing you need to do is to head over to their website, which is janitorai.com. From in there, you should be able to see this. So in order to use a proxy, you can configure your proxy settings within the platform itself by clicking onto your actual name, then heading over right here to your settings. Now in here you can go over to the blocks and you can see in your block tags, block character, you can also go over to your security and into your account you can also see appearance and you can see this blur option. Make sure that this one is enabled or disabled depending on your liking. Another thing that you can do is you can head over and then get authentication details from a proxy service provider. So another thing that you can do is you can also enable some proxy. So for example, if there's something that is actually not yours, like for example, we have in here this particular character, you can see if this character allows proxy or not. So on my case, I already have a character on my own. So let's head over right here and go over to our characters. I have in here this character, head over and click on this edit. And in here, we can edit our actual character from this case. So if you want to enable proxy, you can actually edit it altogether from this case. Let me update this one, and here we can see this. We can see the proxies. Make sure to allow that and click on confirm. And as you can see right now, proxies are now enabled for this particular character. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.